And every community member of Godno and Toron at large.
In Noya district.
In Noya district.
And I'm Moreover.
We thank you so much. And we greet you.
Opportunities, but
others who are here, you have opportunities. You have to build lodges here. Because when the visitors come, they want to eat nice food, they stay in a good restaurant.
You
get money. Now, when you're just sitting here watching these visitors coming, you're just dancing, going without doing any business. Nothing. Now they have pocket. Our visitors have come, they have good money. What are they going to do?
My crafts, mogo,
they have to start doing the crafts. Then there is so for you people when you come here. You just see that those one from heaven, from the moon. And you just here begging please. Please, you have to rise up, show them what you're doing so that they can also borrow the ideas from you as also they buy from you. And you get the benefits. Now that's what you're doing here, just burning chapels. And if you're just burning all these grasses for just these bushmeats, you are just destroying the environment or our climate. When you just entered as the bishop, when they were constructing the road from Bulu going up to Zuba, when you see how the wind are constructed, the dust, too much. It's too much dust. Now we told them they are going to contract this road. Have you seen those lorries going to South Sudan? What have they done? They're carrying chickens, eggs, they're carrying cabbages, tomatoes. What are you going to transport now that you're here? Others are taking only 3 tomatoes and a very few cassava there. Others are now doing supply in South Sudan and they're getting dollars in South Sudan. Now you people who are near here, what are you saying? The road they are now constructing, you know, what are you going to use that road for? When you go here, the border, you get only the boundaries there. Outsiders only performing business at those borders. Then the only thing he has told that Choli people there, their major work is drinking alcohol and then he does not requesting, he just humbly requesting. Let's start work. If the thing is lying, you will see the heavy part of it. Our children, they are now engaged in alcoholism, now adultery, prostitute. Others are doing business. Now you can now tell you the last words. When you are from Lapem, that's the road that you are going to Bulu. Yes. Then the river there is Ayago. The place, the signpost written cost Akili. Some years back, somebody from the far land came and does his farming for tomatoes. He just requested for land. He planted tomatoes. He kept it well. He was actually mulching it
chiep ochwal Sudan charo no million piera bichie.
He took the tomato to South Sudan and got 60 million.
Owilo mutoka ne.
He bought the vehicle.
Ere ne gino time.
You know what happened?
Iwaji nyero bin ka lonyi ngoma kriemo.
Now the community decided this guy came and he's getting rich from our land. Go away.
Kriemo nyeri.
They says him.
Maka ka biru chok kwere me penye ni konywa nyu.
Instead of coming nearby him and asking him the techniques, the skills of how they can grow tomatoes, so that they can also get money in the ventures as well. They send him. Now the grass is as tall as I am there. That is jealousy, which is so bad. And jealousy is not good. If somebody who is wise go closer to that person, ask for his knowledge, let him help you. Go ahead. Jealousy will take us nowhere. Thank you so much for your vision.